Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and what we have for you here is a simple band called Sgnl, which essentially lets you answer calls in a very cool way. So out here we have it on a standard wristwatch, and you can see that you could put it on any old wristwatch that you have. It's also compatible with an Apple Watch where you can just change the strap. And what happens is when you receive a call, this wristband vibrates, and what you need to do is just put your finger up to your ear. You just got to click on this to answer the call, and then put your finger up to your ear like you're just closing your eardrum a little bit. And what happens is you can actually hear your call, have a conversation with it, and this little thing out here is a microphone, so you can actually talk back. So this is something that's out of probably a science fiction movie right here, where you answer the call, the vibration is sending the information from the device up your hand through your bone into your forefinger, and you can actually have a conversation. And I have tried it out. If it fits perfectly on your wrist, you can actually hear the voice very clearly in your head. It's a very cool device. Now, for the battery life, it has about 3 hours to fully charge. As you can see, it's giving these LED indicators when it's charging. If you talk continuously, it'll last you for about 3.5 hours of talk time. It's compatible with iOS 9 or higher, or Android 4.4 or higher, depending on the device that you're using. And it uses Bluetooth 4.2 technology. It has a 200 mAh battery, and it's available in a bunch of colors. A very cool piece of tech. I tried it out, and I just don't know how to explain it to you. I could feel the vibrations in my wrist and in my finger a little bit, but I could hear the voice so clearly in my ear. Sgnl was a really cool demo here from CES 2018, and if you guys want more from the world of technology from CES, you can log on to Digit.in.